What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Destroyer Gray Productions, and we are going to do round 2 of badge install. Round 1 didn't go so well, as you can see on my previous video. Can we get this? So the round 1 didn't go too great, but I do want to show you guys what I did. All right, so took it over to the paint shop. I didn't get any footage of that though, kind of sad about it, but look at this. It's all off and it looks pretty. Basically, he took a razor blade to it, scraped it off, polished it up, waxed it, and it looks amazing now. Can't even tell if there was any Gorilla Glue on my car. I would have done that, but no thanks. I'm not about that life. I don't know what I'm doing with razor blades and paint, so I'm not gonna do razor blades and paint. But what we are gonna do is we're gonna install this other badge here and gonna use this stuff instead. So we've got 3M plastic emblem and trim adhesive. So this stuff will actually come off if you mess up, and you won't have to take it to the paint shop and have it resurfaced. And we got our other badge here. We're gonna put this bad boy on. Let's get to it. Okay, so I would suggest having something to wipe off if you need to, just in case you get a little bit of overflow. And then I've already got a small cut in the top here, so you can see that small cut. You don't want too much to come out. I'm shaky as hell today, holy shit. All right, so got a small cut there. Wipe off the back surface. Obviously get it which way you know you're going to have it, so we're gonna have it there, right? Boom, boom. I'm gonna get myself a good base here, and I'm going to put my glue on the back. Not gonna use too much. I'm just going to put a little bit on there. This stuff's like toothpaste, so it'll just come right out. And I'm just gonna kind of use the tip here. We got a little too much there, so I'm gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna clean this up just a hair. I got quite a bit of like strings, as you can see. So I'm just gonna clean those strings up real quick. Spread this around a little bit. We're gonna stick it. Hopefully I can get it in the right spot. Great. There, looks pretty good. Takes about 10 seconds. Got just a few strings here that I'm gonna pull off. All right, guys, she's on. What do you guys think? At some point I might take that off and put it a little bit lower and like a little bit to the right, but for now it looks pretty damn good. Let's go over to the other side. Show you the other side again. Definitely like them. They're awesome. Alright guys, so this is just a quick video to show you guys putting on the other badge and letting you know that using Gorilla Glue is probably not the best idea. There's a lot better stuff out there that you can use. So definitely don't go with Gorilla Glue unless you know you're gonna do it perfectly the first time, because if you don't do it perfectly the first time and you have to pull it off, you're not getting that stuff off unless you use a razor blade. I don't care what you do. The guy at the paint shop took a razor blade to it. He used some, I can't remember what spray he used, and then he used a buffer with some wax to get it to look like it does now. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm definitely excited to have that other emblem on, and yeah, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. And see you guys.